Hi everybody, it's Amy from Bargain Beauty. So I'm here to show you my Dollar Tree haul. Quite a few items. There's some coupon items in there. There's some Christmas clearance. There's some spring items. And there are some new Valentine's Day items. So quite a bit to go over. I will go as quickly as I can for you guys so that you're not sitting here for an hour. But I want to show you everything that I got. So the first items I got just came out for the spring stuff, but they were here last year in my Dollar Tree, and I only got one box, and I super regretted it because I didn't know if it would grow, they would grow or not. And I did a collab video and with some other YouTubers, and I did it on my garden because I could not believe how many flowers I got from one box of these. So I definitely grabbed 6 of them because I want to do the front and back flower garden. I mean, these were growing all the way up until it's snowing, and I actually cut them and brought them in the house because I was starting to put out Christmas stuff. That's how long they were growing. Like, the cold wasn't even bothering them. So I grabbed 6. I'm super excited to get them. I was not going to take my time about getting them, that's for sure. They're originally $2.99 a box. They sell them at Walmart for $2.99, and for $1 you're getting a really good deal. You're paying a third of the price. So I grabbed 6 of those, and then let's go around the table. And the Valentine's Day signs that I got, I'll show you those. So these are all on like that press board that they've been having their signs come on a lot. I've seen a couple people haul a couple of these. So I got the love with the burlap and, you know, like the barn behind it. Super cute. I got this love one, and it's like a maroon and white with the burlap and like the chalkboard background. And then I just got this one. So I love them all. I couldn't decide, so I was like, I'm just getting all of them. Like, they're just too cute. I can't. Even if I put, you know, one away and switch them out each year for $1, you can't go wrong. And then you guys have already seen this a million times, but I could never find this in my Dollar Tree, and I just think this is so super cute. And usually I'm not big on like busy patterns, but this candy is really, really adorable. This duct tape, and I have some friend mail that I have to send out, so I'll be using that. And then the other Valentine's Day items I got a couple of dish towels. They don't last more than a couple years because they are so thin, but I absolutely love the pattern. I got one of each for something, you know, just a little contrast. And I did get these Valentine's Day stickers to go in pocket letters. You get a lot of them. I'm not someone who normally buys a lot of stickers. You get 18 packs and 8 in each, so that's a lot. It's a lot for $1. Very, very cool. I did get some bobby pins. These aren't the best holding bobby pins, but my hair is fine, so if I just want to keep my bangs off my face, these work perfectly well. And then I don't know where my combs go in my house. I really don't. So, like when I cut my own hair, or I cut my daughter's hair, or just when we're doing like conditioning treatment. So these are perfect for that, nothing crazy. And they come with several different types. You've got a teasing comb, a pick, you've got a wide tooth, you've got lots of options there. And then the coupon items that I got were these Knorr side dishes. So you can only use 2 of this coupon. It came in last Sunday's paper. It's $1 off 2. It's a Unilever coupon. So it's like getting 2 for free. You buy 2, get 2 for free. The coupon is $1 off 2. So you can use them, scan through, no problem, easy. You guys, if you've seen my hauls before, you know I grab one of these every single time I go, because if they have them. So not every time I go, but every time they have them, I grab it. Because these have saved my phone so many times, I can't even tell you, and I'm so afraid they're not going to carry them, so I kind of stockpile these up. And then the Christmas items I got for 25 cents were, I got some really cute like kids labels, self-adhesive gift tags. I thought these would be really cute for the kids next year. And then I got some to put on the packages that I give to adults. And these do not look like they belong at the Dollar Tree. They're such a pretty, pretty pattern. Dollar Tree's come so far with how they design things. Like, their graphic artists are amazing, I think. I do a ton of Christmas card exchanges, so I grabbed a lot of Christmas cards. You get 20, and I seem to have like this theme of liking like the front door with the wreath and like the snow. As you can see, my next package is almost the same, but it is different. So cute with the doggy and the kids. And this was 14 of them. 25 cents. Like, come on. It's crazy. You could send everybody a Christmas card for 25 cents, right? So these are also 14. See that wreath? I have a thing for wreaths. And then I got these for my daughter if she wants to mail any out to her friends next year, because she'll be away at college. So yes, I think way, way, way ahead. And these I also got for when we flat iron our hair. We can clip it out of the way. They don't last as long as the ones I could get at the beauty supply place, but I was there and we needed them, so I did grab them. And 25 cents. I'm going to throw these in some pocket letters. Let me move these out of the way. I wanted these Santa lights for your yard, but I did not want to pay $1 for each. And I know that sounds super cheap, but I'm super cheap. So when I could get them for 25 cents each, I absolutely grabbed them. I grabbed the snowman. It was in one of my Dollar Tree hauls. And I figured because I don't want to spend a lot of money, I could use a snowman through February up until Valentine's Day because it's still wintry. Like, snowmen are not just for Christmas. But now that I could get these at a quarter piece, I did grab 4 for next year for the front garden. And then I love these gloves, and I love that they're pink, and they last a really long time, but I needed another pair. I have the OCD that scrubs everything, so I go through them quite a bit. And then I got these for next year. 2 of these will be to donate, and the other 3 will go to my niece and nephew. You can see how they're kind of similar. So those, they're all the same family. They're all my brother's children. So these will all go to the same person or family. So I'd like them to kind of match. I got the penguins and the Santa with the penguin and the snowman and the snowman. So that's super cute. Couldn't go wrong. And then I just picked up a couple to donate next year because it doesn't, 50 cents, no big deal, right? And then another child will absolutely have a great time with these. And I'll put crayons with that donation as well. And then let's see, what do we not get to? I did get a couple of ornaments for my tree. They didn't have a ton of ornaments left. They had a lot of balls left, but I just don't need any more. Like, I have so many of just the regular Christmas ornaments. So I did grab a couple Santas for 25 cents a piece. And the chair covers, I wouldn't have paid $1 for either. So when I saw them initially, I did not grab them. But for 25 cents a piece, these seem to me pretty thin. So I think they'll probably last a year. And for $1 for 4 of them for next year, I'm perfectly fine with that. I just wasn't going to pay $1 each and have them only last a year. So I think that's it, guys. I think I've covered everything. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Sorry it's a little messy, and this is not usually how I do my DT hauls. But guys, there's so much stuff. I didn't know how to set it up. So have a great day, everybody, and I will talk to you soon. Comment down below if you were able to grab a good clearance. Like, I know a lot of them weren't going 75 yet, but at least if you grabbed 50% off at your Dollar Tree, or maybe you did get 75% off. Let me know, guys. All right, bye-bye.